Hello, this video shows how to clean robot vacuum cleaner. This brand is Smart AI 360, but this method may also apply to other brands of vacuum cleaner with similar functions. It's important to remove the entangled hair or threads to maintain the robot's cleaning efficiency. Entangled hair or strands may cause alarm or abnormal noise on the robot during operation. You need to change the brush if it's already in bad condition. In some cleaners, it's better to empty the robot's dust container prior flipping it over. In my case, I will do it later. Brush mounting screws are very small, so be careful not to lose it. Next is the main brush. Using conventional vacuum cleaner to clean this robot cleaner is helpful, especially on cleaning its filter. This plastic serves like dust chamber gate valve. Careful not to damage it. Now I am cleaning the vacuum filter. Just suck the side of the filter where the dust build up. This way the filter will be effectively cleaned. Make sure to put back this plastic gate and it can swing smoothly. This thing secures the dust container to the robot by going into this slot. To install back the main brush, just follow the shape of the slot on the robot body and the end of the brush. Finally, install back the main brush lock. That's all for my video and thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.